Hi, today we're going to go over the real world top 5 uses for image generation with AI. As you might understand, giblifying everything isn't the sole purpose of image generation with AI. So let's get started with number 5 of real world uses for image generation with AI. So using AI, you can generate visuals tailored to any niche or campaign, ad group, really doesn't matter, without relying on generic stock photos. It can be a huge time saver as well as save you money. This can be especially useful for fast paced campaigns that happen on TikTok or Instagram. So let's check it out. Create a breathtaking tropical beach scene at sunset with crystal clear turquoise waters, lush palm trees, and the cozy beach cabana glowing with warm lights. Include a distant view of a couple kayaking on the horizon, evoking adventure and relaxation. The vibe is luxurious yet approachable, perfect for a dream vacation. Use vibrant colors, cinematic lighting, and a clean modern composition. Optimized for social media, 1080 by 1080, sharp details, photorealistic style. So we're going for something very specific, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So this is the image that was generated. So we made an edit to the original image and added a title. It says "Visit Paradise," but you can basically add whatever you want, edit the image as many times as you want. Add pricing. Now, obviously, this 1080 by 1080 would be for Facebook, but you can choose different sizes. Okay, so let's try a different niche. Let's try something a little bit more complicated like finance. All right, so this is what ChatGPT came up with the prompts I gave it to generate an image in the finance niche. And we could edit this to change the colors, change the image, use a different title, add a tagline. Just a few years ago, we would have to pay premium price to a designer, but sometimes you need something quick. Professional designers have their place. It's not just making the logo, it's also their expertise using colors, designs, shapes, etc. So now let's see if we can generate a logo for an airline using ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the prompt I'm using to generate a logo for an airline. Okay, so here is our logo for an airline. Now you can use this for a website, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you need. We can change the colors, we can change the design, the background, the letter. ChatGPT, as well as other AI agents, can change pretty much everything about the design. Next up for me is being able to create ads for Google Ads or Facebook relatively quickly. I manage a lot of campaigns, and generating creative sometimes can take a while, especially if you're working with a designer. AI agents can generate the images you need to run your campaigns. For example, here I have a prompt in ChatGPT to create an image for a skincare line. This is what ChatGPT generated. It's a nice, simple design, and you would see where the headline would go in the ad. It's really quite simple, just a few prompts, and you get images for your ads. Sharing infographics are a great way to simplify complex information, boost engagement, enhance retention, improve shareability, and even establish authority on a subject or a niche. You can plug all of that data into ChatGPT, use a nice prompt, and you'll create an infographic. And this is what ChatGPT came up with. So it's using all the information I gave it, and it made something that users can reference. I could plug this in my website or any social media platform. So just to take a break from ChatGPT for a little bit, we're going to use something called Leonardo. It can generate images as well as videos. I'm going to type in luxury travel banner related to hiking, and these are the options that it came up with. All right, so we can change dimensions, we can edit the prompt. So this one looks pretty good. And this is something I would use in one of my email campaigns. Maybe I would add some more text over here, but that can all be edited later. So those are my top 5 uses for AI image generation. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it.